Welcome to Quiz Tricks. Before we dive into today's quiz, Guess the Animal, consider subscribing to our channel so you never miss out on these exciting challenges. It's cat. It's dog. It's horse. It's cow. It's elephant. It's lion. It's tiger. It's giraffe. It's zebra. It's bear. It's rabbit. It's sheep. It's deer. It's monkey. It's kangaroo. It's penguin. It's dolphin. It's eagle. It's owl. It's duck. It's chicken. It's octopus. It's frog. It's snake. It's fox. It's wolf. It's gorilla. It's koala. It's panda. It's alligator. It's rhinoceros. It's hippopotamus. It's jellyfish. It's shark. It's crocodile. It's chimpanzee. It's orangutan. platypus. It's axolotl. It's quokka. It's fennec fox. It's tarsia. It's ii. It's blowfish. It's pink fairy armadillo. It's tufted deer. It's okapi. It's dik-dik. It's Komodo dragon. And that's a wrap for today's quiz on Quizstrix. How many did you answer correctly? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more brain-teasing challenges. Thanks for playing, and see you next time.